Ouch. Okay. Hey guys, it's awesome. LPS here, and it's my first time doing a video today. So I hope you like the video, and please ignore the people behind me until I say let's get started. So the title of this episode will be Fidget Spinner Story, okay? Now let's get to it. Another ordinary day in the Tower of... Okay, everyone ready to patrol? Yep. Wait, who has night shift? I do. Okay. And who else has night shift? Oh yeah, me. And then I have day shift. That's it. Let's just do it. I'll go to sleep. One of the guards needs off, so I think I'm gonna do that. I'll go over to the PA. Oh, I have one on my scarf. Sorry. Attention, attention. This is Mary here, and all security guards, please come up right now, this instant. Okay. That should have worked. Oh, looks like they're here. Okay, so listen up, people. Already? You listen? You listening? Whatever, just... Whatever, so just... Okay, it's time to pick who wants. It's time to pick who's gonna sleep over. By me. Alrighty, guys? I don't want to. Okay, then it leaves you, Maddie, and Spark. I wanna do it. Okay, then. Greyson, get back on patrol. Okay. You two do rock, paper, scissors. 3, 2, 1. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, scissors. I get to, yay. Aw. You'll do that next 2 weeks. You'll do that next 2 weeks, okay? Okay. Ouch. Ouch. No, get downstairs now. So, I want to tell you I want to tell you a secret, okay? Okay. I collect fidget spinners. Do you think it's appropriate from age 15 to 25 to have fidget spinners? Yeah, that's absolutely fine with me. I only have one, but... Really? I only have 2. Oh. Wait a minute. I think I see something. Don't you? Yeah? What is it? It's your food stock. It looks like it's running low. Actually, it does. You know what else that means? Grocery shopping? Defs. Defs what? That's an abbreviation for definitely. FYI. So, wait, did I do that wrong? No, just, please, just, we get to get fidget spinners too. I don't want any though. That's fine. Then I get to get one. Yeah, let's go. Sorry, it was the perfect time to snoop. I never get to go into Mary's room. Wait, she doesn't even have a name. Oh, sorry. Her name's Mary Maroon, so... Okay, there's a clock. It says it's 7:10 right now. There's food right here. Drawer. All things. TV. I'm gonna check in the drawers later. There's a trampoline here, very bouncy. A table with blueberries, a bed, and a couch. Very satisfying. So, okay, I'll look in the drawers. It looks like there's things that I don't need. And what else? Oh, my dog. I gotta tell the exciting news to Spark. She has fidget spinners. I can't believe it. Gotta go down. Okay, she's right over there. Let's wake her up. Wake up. What is it, Garen? You're supposed to be on patrol. I know, I found patrol. I was on patrol in Mary Maroon's room. You snooped? You snooped? No, I didn't snoop. Well, technically, yeah. Oh my dog, that is so cool. Okay. So it was, I found fidget spinners. Watch out. Girl, get up. Okay. Sorry, but fidget spinners? Isn't she a little too old to have fidget spinners? A lot old. I can't believe Mary and Mady think fidget spinners aren't too old for ages 15 to 25. Can you believe it? No, I can't. So, I want to show you. Okay, but no one will be on patrol. That's okay, we have security cameras. Okay, let's go. So, it's in here. Come on. Sorry. Starstruck. Oh my dog, it is. Okay, we should really get back on patrol now. I have a bad feeling about this. Okay, let's just go. Alright, we're back. That was very cool, getting fidget spinners. I'll get them now. In a box, that was so brilliant, right? Yeah. So, let's put them, on my table. Let's put them on the table. Okay. Just like that. Ouch. much. Okay, we're all set. Let's go to bed now. Yeah, it is pretty late. It is pretty late, so I can't believe all those fans were in the store. Yeah, I can't believe that either. Let's watch a movie, or at least an episode of LPS Life. Ouch. Yeah. Let's go. Okay. Let's watch. An hour later. Get to the store! Huh? Ew. Maddie, wake up. Huh? We were so excited about the fidget spinners that we forgot to actually get our groceries. Oh no. Let's go get them now. Okay. And once again, Greyson and Spark snooped. Come on, Spark. There's a new box here. It is? There is? Maybe it's full of fidget spinners. Let's find out. The holy grail of fidget spinners. Yep, there's a lot. Hallelujah, hallelujah. Okay, let's close it and get back before they come back, okay? Okay. I'm so nervous about getting caught. Let's go. But someone left behind. Okay, so we're back. Mary? Or Mady? Oh, coming. Sorry. Wait. That flower is new. Did you get anything? No. Wait a minute. That's not any flower. That's one of Greyson's flowers. And Sparks. Do you think they might have been snooping? Maybe. Wait. I smell something. What is it? Greyson and Spark were here. They found out about the fidget spinners. Okay. Let's go down. Wait. I'm so pooped. We were here it's like 1 in the morning though. Okay, let's just go. And so they went downstairs. Okay, listen up. The game's up. The game is up. Yeah. What are you two doing here? To talk to you about something. One of our flowers. Huh? What's happening? Oh, one of our flowers. It's silky and smooth, just how both of you like it. It's our flower. Oh no. Okay, we confess. We snooped in your room and found fidget spinners. We are so sorry. We'll do anything. Yeah, well, you better. You won't get any days off. No weekends, no nothing. All of you patrol 24 and 8 hours. 8 hours of night and 24 hours of day. Pronto. Okay? Okay. Okay. I gotta go on patrol too, okay? Okay. So that ends it of the fidget spinner story.